So today, guys, we're going to be winterizing the pellet chicken coop. So I'll have to be cleaning this out inside here, but it ain't that dirty anyway because I just cleaned it a while back. But I'll still put new straw in there. And see, I got a couple eggs over there. And in here, I'll just rake this all out and level it out. And I still have plastic on this side here. So this is a little area that doesn't get enclosed in the winter. So I'm going to make me a roost. I went and cut a branch. I'm going to make a roost for the chickens out here. Got all this stuff on it. Hard plastic. All around it. And this is how it looks from the back side. And over here is a little area I made the roost. Right there. And here's how it looks inside. We'll keep the snow out of here for them and keep them a little warmer. And I use a heated dog dish for the water so it doesn't freeze. And on this side, that's that little hole that goes to the outside where I just made that roost. And as you can see, they can go underneath here too. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching.